Hey there, lovely parents. Today, I'm sharing some tried and true tips for relieving your baby's blocked nose. Now, remember, these tips are based on the experience of other mums. Always consult your pediatrician for personalized advice. First up, let's talk about traditional methods. One classic trick is using a saline solution. Just a couple of drops in each nostril can help loosen the mucus. You can find these at any pharmacy, or you can make your own with a pinch of salt in boiled, cooled water. Another timeless remedy is steam. Running a hot shower and sitting in the bathroom with your baby for about 10–15 minutes can work wonders. The steam helps to moisten and clear those tiny nasal passages. Now, on to modern tips. Nasal aspirators are a game changer. These handy gadgets can suction out the mucus gently and efficiently. There are manual ones and battery-operated versions available. Humidifiers are also fantastic. Placing one in your baby's room adds moisture to the air, helping to keep their nasal passages from drying out and getting clogged. And don't forget hydration. Keeping your baby well hydrated is crucial, as fluids help thin the mucus. For older babies, warm water or diluted juice can be soothing. Well, that's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more useful parenting advice. Take care, and see you next time.